Hi, I want to share with you some examples of outstanding infographics. There's so many of them, I can't use every one, but I'm looking at both the layout, design, and the content. Here's one example. You can see that it's like a newspaper in that it has two sides to it and quotations. And then notice the references are APA style. This is a pretty good item. Let's take a look at another one. Now, look at this one. It's very different. It's starting with "You've arrived" with the best ultimate way in which you're culturally integrated. Notice the nice graphics, a little quotation above the individual in an elevator. Then, following the same format, an individual and an employee in an elevator. Then cultural competence going up the elevator, which I thought was very clever, and the quotation. And then cultural pre-competence going up the elevator. You can see this one has a very nice layout and design. Concept of using an elevator. Going up from where you are the worst you could possibly be. Those people. Let's take a look at another one. Now this one took a different approach to it, as you can see. This one is a good one because they keep the formatting the same. She's decided to keep, or he's decided to keep, I don't know the creator right now, all the same font size, font type. Just like when you're doing a business report, you're not going to be changing the font type and size. And just like in a business report, you're going to have headings and subheadings. Now, here's a whole different layout and design. I don't have to read it to you. You can see how clever colors and designs were used. It's just another fine product. And at the bottom, we know that it was created at Venngage, one of the sites that I recommended. Here's another one. Notice again, I'd like to point out, it's just like business writing. Bullet points all the way down, same font, aligned to the left, aligned to the left. Consistency across in font and size, nice graphics, very nice graphics in APA format. Just really nice piece of work. And here's one last example that's really nice. So, I hope this has given you some insights about what your colleagues are doing.